So this is what you're going to get. In my case, looks like a crushed box. Let's open this thing up and find out what I got inside. Well, they look to be in good shape. That's all right. There's no damage done to them. They are smoked. They're a dark color. And when these things are flashing, they will be amber. As you can see, they're pretty much the same as originals. There's a plug right here. It's kind of set in a stand a little bit. This one here has a little casing around it, and I imagine that's where the electronics are to do the flashing. But it's the exact same plug, straight plug in. There's your hole for the screw the holes in place. And you can see the difference between the two. This is my 2014 Dodge or Ram 1500, and I'm going to change this here to a sequential light. Now, to remove the lamp assembly, you've got to take this mirror off. What you do is push that mirror in, get your fingers underneath here. See where I'm at? Get your fingers underneath there, and then pull. Okay, I moved over to the other side, which I already have off. And this is what you're going to end up with. You can put this thing in your hand and that up there. Thing slides right in here and it catches right around the edges here. There is a screw here. There's a Torx head on it, and you're just going to pull that out, unplug these wires, and then just pop this out. It takes a little bit of force to get it out of there, but it will come out. Now, I do recommend that you plug this thing in first before you go through all the hassle of mounting everything up. In my case, I did. And as you can see, it is functioning just fine. You see how I just popped that in place, just pushed it in. And now all I'm going to do is just put the screw in there. I put the screw in here, and that'll hold it in place. Pop this mirror back on, and I'm ready to go. To remove this, you're going to be reaching in under here and pulling it away from the mirror head. Right here where my hand is your regular mirror. So you're going to push that all the way down. That'll expose this here, and you're going to pop it off. Now, one of the problems you may run into is, if you'll notice, right here and here, these little tabs, let me bring you in close on the tabs. These little tabs, which are like these here, they can break off, especially if you live in a hot area. I live in Southern California, and the temperatures can get up to 120 degrees in the summer. The mirrors are black. It gets incredibly hot. In order to save this, it's not necessary to dump it and get a new one. You, right where my finger is, clean it up, put a little dab of silicone, or in my case, I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, pop it in place, and it'll hold. Job finished. This stayed right back in place, and I actually didn't need the glue on it or anything, but I did put it on there just to be sure, because the rest of them snapped it in place and held it securely. Lights are flashing as they should. Quick and easy job, 15 minutes max.